Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 20 of half yearly, and today's HW number will be 12. My dear student, today's topic is from exercise 4.2 we shall solve question number 13 and question number 15 as your CW. From question number 15 we shall solve number G and H. Okay, and your HW will be from the same chapter question number 14 and question number 15. From 15 you solve E and F. I hope you have understood. Now we shall solve. Dear student, please open your math book, page number 62. From here we shall solve question number 13, and from page number 63 we shall solve question number G and H. I have already written this question on the board, and now follow the board please. Here 13 number question. If x plus 1 by x equal to 4, then prove that x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 52. So easy question. Okay, at first we solve this question. Question number 13. So when we solve such type of math, you must write given that. Okay, given that x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Okay, now we shall prove the left hand side. That means we shall solve left hand side and make 52. If 52 comes, then our solution is done. That means our proof is done. So now write left hand side x cube plus 1 by x cube. So at first we write x whole cube plus 1 by x whole cube. Okay, so do you know this formula? A cube plus b cube. The formula of a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab plus 3ab into a plus b. Dear student, here a means x and b means 1 by x. So from this formula we can write x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x into this one x plus 1 by x. A plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. I hope you have understood. Now we put the value of x plus 1 by x because it is given, which is 4. Now we write 4 cube minus 3 into x card left 3 into 1 into, notice x plus 1 by x, value of x plus 1 by x is 4. Now 4 cube means we multiply 4 3 times. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now we subtract 2 from 4, we get 2, 1 from 6, we get 5. Dear student, notice if we solve left hand side, then we get 52, and it is the right hand side. So our proof is done. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side proved. Okay, so this is question number 13 solution. Now we shall solve question number 50. At first we read the question. Find the product with the help of formula. That means we need to find out product with the help of formula. That means we can't multiply the expression directly. Using formula we shall solve this to math. Question number G and H. Okay. In order to solve this math, we need two formula. Please notice x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, you can write a and b in place of x and y, a cube plus b cube. no problem. Then x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, another one is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. Dear student, if I write x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. But if this one is given, that means x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, then from this we can write x cube plus y cube. Okay, similar way, if this is given, then we can write x cube minus y cube. If this is given, then we can write a square minus b square. I hope you have understood. Now we shall solve. At first, question number G, 15G. Okay, x plus a, x square minus ax plus a square into x minus a, x square plus ax plus a square. Now dear student, please notice x plus a. Okay, so write x plus a, then x whole square minus x into a plus a square. Okay, again x minus a, x whole square plus x into a plus a whole square. So notice x plus a into x square minus x a plus a square. This is the formula of x cube plus a cube. I hope you have understood. This one is done. Next, x minus a into x square plus x into a plus a square. This is the formula of x cube minus a cube. Okay, so notice a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? The formula of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here a is x cube and b is a cube. So write x cube whole square minus a cube whole square, then x to the power 6 minus a to the power 6. This is the answer of this question. I hope you have understood. Next we shall solve question number A, which is similar as question number G. Okay, so at first we pick up this question. A's number question. 5a plus 3b 25a square minus 15ab plus 9b square 125 a cube minus 27b cube. Okay, now please notice 5a plus 3b. Here 5a means a and 3b means b. So a plus b, and a square, that means 5a whole square. Okay, 5 5s are 25, a square means a square. Okay, so 5a into 3b plus 3b whole square. Dear student, notice 3a square means 9, b square means b. So nothing new, we just modify this. Okay, okay, we want to make formula. For these reasons we break this one. Okay, so a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, okay, this one remain unchanged. 125 a cube minus 27 b cube. Okay, so now notice 5a whole cube minus plus 3b whole cube. Okay, and that on remain unchanged minus 27 b cube. Okay, so now notice 5 cube means 125 a cube plus 3 cube, that means 27 b cube. 125 a cube minus 27 b cube. Dear student, please notice A plus B into A minus B. That means A square minus B square formula. 125 A cube whole square minus 27 B cube whole square. Now we multiply 125 with 125. Then we get, notice, 125 multiplied with 125. 5 5 jar 25 carrying 2, 5 2 jar 10 plus 2, 12, 5 1 jar 5 1 6. So ones place done, so 0. Now we multiply 125 by 10's place, 2 5 jar 10, 2 2 jar 4 on 5 and 2 1 jar 2. Ones place 10's place both done, so 2 0. Now we multiply 125 by 1, so 5 1 jar 5, 2 1 jar 2 and 1 1 jar 1. Now 5 2, 5 5 10 plus 6, 16 carrying 1, 2 2 4 on 5 1. So 1 5 6 2 5. Write 1 5 6 2 5 a to the power 3 multiply 2, that means a to the power 6 minus. This time we multiply 27 by 27. Notice please, 27 multiplied with 27. 7 7 are 49 carrying 4. 7 2 are 14 plus 4 18 0. 7 2 are 14 carrying 1 2 2 are 4 on 5. So 9 8 4 12 5 1 6 7. So 729 b to the power 6. Okay. Now this is the answer of question number A's. Okay, my dear student. This is our today's lecture. You must pick up question number 13 and question number 15 from our class as your CW, and you must do your SI and SW question number 14, and from question number 15 E and F in your SW copy. Submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.